2, 3, go. You're going, yeah? In VTEC. This is heartbreaking. This is Audi is doing a good job. And I'm not even in sport mode yet. That's in normal D, not in sport mode. Okay, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the video of Hoodstick. Yes, the title is true. This video got quite popular. We are in the Audi A3 2-litre TDI DSG. We're going to face the Honda Civic Type R, a stock one, and we're going to do a rematch again because there was a lot of controversy as to how this keeps up with the Civic Type R, and if this is the tuned Audi A3 2-litre TDI. But just do a quick walk around in the car. So this again is an 06 plate DSG 2-litre TDI, and this is the Civic Type R stock. If you want to open the bonnet, quick bonnet check on the engine. So this is the Civic Type R. It's stock. You can see there's no induction, there's nothing, absolutely stock. The exhaust is stock, the car is absolutely stock. And we're going to face the Audi, so let's get to the bottom of this. We'll run back to the Audi, and we'll do a nice little highway pull to see which car is faster. So let's get to the bottom. So we'll do like we get a chance to do a standstill, and then we'll do like a rolling one. We'll do like a 20 miles per hour, 30 miles per hour, 40 miles per hour, and just get best of every single one. And that's it really. So let's go, let's do this. Right, Sam, whenever you're ready. Okay. Right, here we go. Right, Civic Type R. I do like this car, the DSG, and the way it runs and the way it handles, and effortless gear changes. Don't have to make any mistakes with the Type R. The second gear is very tricky sometimes. Okay, go. Let's go. Look at this. Look at this. I'm beating the Type R. Look at this. I'm actually beating the Type R. No way. This is just crazy how this car is just beating the Civic. Right, 1, 2, 3, go. You're going, yeah? In VTEC. This is heartbreaking. This is Audi is doing a good job. And I'm not even in sport mode yet. That's in normal D, not in sport mode. Unbelievable though, like if this car was standard with 140 brake horsepower with a torque, there's no way that this couldn't keep up with that at all. But it's going through gears and it's literally keeping up with the Civic all the way, and it just doesn't make any sense. It's coming in fast, that Civic did. So join in the fun. Okay, right, 1, 2, 3, go. Look at this, guys. The Audi is beating the Civic. It's beating the Civic! It's a nice Audi A3. It's a 1.8T that is. It's going fast. Got one of those. Proper rainy conditions. This is not good with that at all. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, Audi. The tripod's going. The gear shifting. Every second counts. The tripod's going. That's it. Nice, nice, nice. Alright. That was good. That was good. That was good. That was nice. But just all in all, like how like this car, like first, second gear, this does really well. It does better in the first gears, the Audi does, but obviously in the higher range, if that's in VTEC, the Civic does beat the Audi, like, you know, without a chance. It does gap it, but with the Audi in first, second gear, with the torque, because it's more torque in the early gears, this car beats that Type R. It does beat it until that grips and stuff. So man, you can't make a mistake with the Civic with the gear. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, come on! Ah! This car's fast, man. You can't underestimate this car. The craziest thing that we need to remember is the Civic cost me £3,500. This cost me £1,000. It's 1/3 of the price, and it gives a Type R a tough match. And that's the whole point of why I'm trying to prove this, like to show that you don't need to spend a 3-4 grand car when you can get a £1,000 car that does the same job and easier DSG, and you break hearts. Superbike's the next thing on the channel. Need to get the license. 650cc, my friend Jake told me to get. No way is this car 140 brake horsepower. That's 200 brake horsepower. No way. This is supposed to be 0 to 60 in like 10 seconds, and that's 0 to 60 in 6.6 seconds. There's a 4-second gap, but we didn't see that when we did the race. 1, 2, 3, go! Come on, Audi! Let's do this! Civic's gone. That's it. Nice, nice, nice. That was nice. It's like once the Civic gets its, you know, it'll go then. But it gives it a good run at the first, second gear. I mean, at the first 2 gear changes. That was a rolling run at 40 as well. We'll do a pull where the Civic is not in VTEC in second gear, and we'll see if the Civic can catch up with the Audi. Because sometimes when you're in a pull against, in a race with somebody in the circuit, you know, the person might not engage in VTEC in time, and you know, the Audi might just leave that at a Civic. That's why a lot of people say it needs to be in VTEC in a race, but then in a race you're not always in the VTEC. Like you can't be ready, so the race could just happen straight away. And if you're not in VTEC, the Audi might be, you know, the best bit. This car just needs to go. Man, it's flying, dude. This torque is crazy on this car.